Hey there, everyone! We all want a home that feels fresh and inviting. It's the place where we relax and recharge. Keeping up with design trends can make your home feel even more special. Updating your home doesn't have to mean a huge makeover. Sometimes, small changes can make a big difference. Think of it like adding a new throw pillow to your sofa or a fresh coat of paint to a tired piece of furniture. These little touches can completely change the look and feel of your space. So, let's dive into some of the exciting trends for 2024 and how you can bring them into your own home. We've all been there, right? Standing in a paint aisle, staring at a million shades of white, or scrolling through endless furniture options online, feeling completely overwhelmed. Decorating can be a little daunting. There are so many choices. It's easy to get stuck on picking the right colors, finding furniture that fits your style, and making sure everything is functional. And of course, we can't forget about the budget. But here's the thing, creating a stylish and welcoming home doesn't have to break the bank. Let's explore some of the hottest design trends for 2024 and how to achieve them affordably. 2024 is all about creating spaces that are both stylish and sustainable. Think natural materials, pops of color, and furniture that serves multiple purposes. One of the biggest trends is using sustainable materials. Think bamboo, reclaimed wood, and organic cotton. These materials are good for the planet and add so much character to your home. Another trend I'm loving is the use of bold colors. Don't be afraid to add a pop of color to your walls or furniture. We're also seeing a lot of natural textures, like linen and rattan, which bring a warm and inviting feel to any space. And let's not forget oversized lighting. A statement light fixture can instantly elevate a room. Now let's talk about how to bring these trends into your home without spending a fortune. One of my favorite ways to update a space on a budget is by shopping your own home. Rearrange your furniture, swap out throw pillows, or add a fresh coat of paint to an old piece. You'd be surprised at what a difference these simple changes can make. Thrift stores and flea markets are also treasure troves for unique and affordable furniture and decor. Don't be afraid to get creative and DIY. A little paint and elbow grease can go a long way in transforming thrifted finds into statement pieces. Section 5. Sustainable Style. Earth-friendly choices. Creating a stylish home doesn't mean you have to sacrifice sustainability. In fact, some of the most beautiful materials are the ones that are kind to our planet. When choosing furniture, look for pieces made from reclaimed wood, bamboo, or other sustainable materials. These materials are not only eco-friendly, but also add so much warmth and character to your home. Another way to embrace sustainable style is by choosing natural fabrics like organic cotton, linen, and hemp. These fabrics are breathable, durable, and perfect for adding a touch of natural texture to your space. Section 6. Bold and beautiful. Color your world. Don't be afraid to embrace color. Adding a pop of color to your home can instantly brighten your mood and create a more vibrant atmosphere. If you're hesitant about painting your walls a bold color, start with smaller accents like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. You can also incorporate color through your furniture by choosing pieces in bold hues, or by reupholstering existing furniture with vibrant fabrics. When choosing colors, consider the mood you want to create in each room. For example, cool blues and greens can create a sense of calm and relaxation in a bedroom, while warm yellows and oranges can add energy and vibrancy to a living space. Section 7. Function meets fashion. Multi-purpose living. In today's world, many of us are living in smaller spaces. That's why it's more important than ever to choose furniture that serves multiple purposes. Look for coffee tables with built-in storage, ottomans that double as seating, or sofas that convert into beds. These versatile pieces will help you maximize space without sacrificing style. Another great way to create a multifunctional space is by using room dividers or curtains to define different areas within a room. This is especially helpful in open-concept homes where you may want to create separate zones for living, dining, and sleeping. Section 8. Texture Talk. Bringing in natural elements. Natural textures are a great way to add warmth, depth, and visual interest to your home. Incorporate textures like linen, rattan, jute, and wood to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Throw pillows, blankets, and rugs are all great ways to add texture to your living spaces. You can also incorporate natural textures through furniture, lighting, and decorative accessories. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures to create a layered and collected look. For example, you could pair a linen sofa with a jute rug and a wooden coffee table. Section 9. Light up your life. Oversized lighting. Oversized lighting is a trend that can instantly elevate any room. A statement light fixture can serve as a focal point and add a touch of drama to your space. Look for oversized pendants, chandeliers, or sconces that complement your home's style. You can find affordable options at thrift stores, flea markets, or online retailers. When choosing oversized lighting, make sure to consider the scale of your room. A fixture that is too large will overpower the space, while a fixture that is too small will get lost. Section 10. You've got this. Creating your dream home. Remember, your home should be a reflection of your personal style and taste. Don't be afraid to experiment with different trends and ideas until you find what works best for you. Creating a stylish and welcoming home is an ongoing journey, not a destination. So, have fun with it. Embrace the process and enjoy the transformation. And remember, even small changes can make a big difference. So start small, be creative, and most importantly, have fun creating a space that you love.